Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, WooCommerce and Email Octopus. So the use case here is that whenever there is a new customer in WooCommerce, we want to create a list in Email Octopus automatically. First, let us know what these two software applications are all about. So WooCommerce is a software application where you can set up your online store, whereas Email Octopus is an email marketing software. Although WooCommerce and Email Octopus have some native integration between them, but this integration has certain limitations, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is going to help us to transfer data from WooCommerce to Email Octopus. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen. Okay, so here I am at Google, and now I will go to this URL section over here. And I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly, and now I will go to this product section over here and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, I'm going to sign in now. Now because I have already signed in to my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free and create your free account in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. You can try out this integration in Pabbly Connect absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box below the video. So now I'll scroll down, and here at Connect, I'm going to click on Access Now. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and now I'm going to create a new workflow. So I'll click on this. So I'm going to name this workflow WooCommerce to Email Octopus. Okay, create. Okay, so now here in this workflow, we are going to integrate WooCommerce and Email Octopus using Pabbly Connect. So first I'll integrate WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect, and then I will integrate Email Octopus with Pabbly Connect. So first here I'm going to choose WooCommerce. Okay. And in choose method, we want as soon as a new customer is created in WooCommerce, we want to create a list in Email Octopus. So here, new customer created is a trigger method. Now you might have a question that what is trigger? Now automation runs on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, when a new customer is created in WooCommerce, create a list in Email Octopus. So new customer created in WooCommerce is our trigger. Creating a list in Email Octopus is our action. So new customer created is going to be our trigger. You can see there are many other trigger methods available over here. You can choose whichever you want according to your workflow. But here I am going to choose new customer created. And if you don't get any trigger method of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. So I'll click this. Now you can see this webhook URL over here. So after choosing an app and choosing a method, what we actually do is we copy this webhook URL from here and we go and paste it inside the trigger software application. That is WooCommerce over here. Now let me tell you what is webhook. So webhook is an essential way to get data from an external software at Pabbly's end. So I'm going to copy this webhook URL from here. You can read the instructions written over here and follow it. So I'll go to WooCommerce, and here in settings, I'm going to click on advanced and I'm going to click on webhooks. Now here I'm going to add webhook. Now let me name it as WooCommerce to Email Octopus. Status is going to be active. Topic is customer created. Here I'm going to paste the URL. Save webhook. I'll save it again. Okay, now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here I'm going to capture the webhook response. Now what will happen is, because we have gone and pasted the webhook URL inside WooCommerce, whenever there is a new customer created in WooCommerce, it will come to this webhook URL link. So now we have to go and now create a new customer. So I've already opened this page over here. Okay, so now I'm going to put a username over here. Stephanie. Email is stephanie@gmail.com. First name Stephanie. Last name D'Souza. Register. Okay, so you can see the registration is complete. Now we'll go back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you can see the webhook response is over here. The email is here, stephanie@gmail.com. First name Stephanie D'Souza. Okay, so I'll save this. So what we have done is we have successfully finished a first step integration, that is integration of Pabbly Connect and WooCommerce. And now we are going to begin with the second step integration where we are going to integrate Email Octopus and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this plus button over here. Okay, so here I'm going to choose Email Octopus, this one over here. Okay, so now in choose method, we want as soon as a new customer is created in WooCommerce, we want to create a list in Email Octopus. So create list is our action method over here. You can see there are many other action methods available. You can select whichever you want according to your workflow. And if you don't get the action method of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you to look for your specific action of your choice. Okay, so I'm going to click on create list now. Okay, so let's connect with Email Octopus. Okay, credentials here you don't have to worry. Here new credentials, it is asking us for API key. Log into your Email Octopus account, navigate to top right drop down, integrations and API section to get your API key. Okay, so I have already opened my Email Octopus account over here. So here I'll go to my account and here you can see integrations and API. So I'll click on it. Okay, so here you can see API, use our developer API to connect an external application or website. Okay, so I'm going to click on this developer API. You can see your API keys is here. So I'm going to copy to clipboard. Let's go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll paste the API key over here. So this API key here is going to help us to build a connection between Pabbly Connect and Email Octopus. So I'll click on save. Okay, so now here you can see it is asking us for a name. So here you have to enter the name of list that you want. Here I want the list of the name to be my customer's name. That is why I am going to map my customer's name over here. Stephanie, then D'Souza. Okay, if you want, you can also select on this customer and then name your list. Okay, so now I'll click on save and send test request. Okay, so you can see we have got the API response. Now that means that we have successfully integrated WooCommerce and Email Octopus. So I'll click on save. Now let's go to Email Octopus and see if a list called Stephanie D'Souza is created there or not. So I'll go to Email Octopus. And from here, I'm going to click on lists. You can see Stephanie D'Souza created 31 seconds ago. So we have successfully created a list called Stephanie D'Souza in Email Octopus. We have finished our integration over here. Now let me show you this again with one more example so that you can understand how this process takes place in real time. So what I'm going to do is I'll go back to my registration page over here and let us register for a new customer over here. Okay, so username is going to be Samuels. So the email is samuelsstephen@gmail.com. First name is Samuels. Last name is Stephen. Okay, so I'm going to register this customer. Okay, so you can see registration is complete. Let's go back to Email Octopus and see if a new list is created there or not. So I'll go back to my Email Octopus and I'll refresh this. You can see Samuel Stephen. So we have again created a list in Email Octopus. So let me explain you here what has happened in our example. So I'll just minimize this and this. So what has happened in our example is, first we integrated WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect and then we integrated Pabbly Connect with Email Octopus. So first the information would have gone from WooCommerce to Pabbly Connect, and then it went from Pabbly Connect to Email Octopus. So now every time a new customer is created in WooCommerce, a list will be created automatically in Email Octopus. So we have successfully finished our integration of WooCommerce and Email Octopus using Pabbly Connect. Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.